Hello and welcome to our second aspect of our training in Revit. Now we've been able to master external modeling and rendering and all the likes. So what is the next thing for us to master now is how to be able to do interior modeling and rendering. I told you that in this course we'll be given some materials that will help you in your modeling. So let's go and see how we can model the interior of our sitting room. So where do we go first? You see, from your floor plan, if you go to your ground floor, you see something like this on your ground floor. You can see your ground floor, the arrangement of the chairs that came with the 2D. I'm deleting that view, so let me delete that view. I don't need it. So this has given you an idea of how you can place your settee and your center table and stuff like that, and where your TV will be. So you now go to you see ceiling plans, because we didn't put ceiling. Now we want to put ceiling in our sitting room, so that by the time we do our rendering, you can be seeing the ceiling up, so I will not be seeing the roof when we do our rendering. So let's go to ceiling plans. From ceiling plans, you see ground floor. So you double click on ground floor. Ground floor will now take you to something like this. So you now try and put ceiling where you need it. Since it's only sitting room that you are doing, you don't need to put in any other place to save your time. So what you just do, you just go to modeling straight on your toolbar. You now go and look for ceiling. So when you see ceiling, you left click on ceiling. You go to sketch. From sketch, it will show you the line. So you just lines already picked. So you just go and pick from one point to the other point. Since our sitting room is joined to the dining, we can do it together, so that we are not doing dining in this lesson, but we just want to do the ceiling together. So you just try and fix everything like that together, and make sure the lines are closed. Once they are closed, you don't have any problem. Right click and cancel. You go to finish sketch, and that is it. You can't see what you have done now. If you want to look at it, I told you can use this view. You just double click inside of it. It will show you what you have done. You can see here, see what I'm trying to tell you. This is the ceiling that you did. So how do you now do it? First of all, you can leave it at this level, or you move it a little bit up. If you are not satisfied with that level, you can move it a little bit up. Ceiling will also come down a little bit, so you can just leave it at that level, which is okay for you. So the next thing that you need to do now is to give it its own material. So you click on it, you go to this element properties, you go to edit, you go to duplicate, you write your ceiling, you go to OK. Ceiling is already in use. That means we need to use another name. Let's use ceiling 2. You use ceiling 2. You go to edit again. This thickness, you can make it maybe 15 mm thickness. Ceiling doesn't used to be thick like that. This default is the rendering material. You go to this small box, you click it, you take it to the material box, you do again, duplicate again. Don't forget, duplication is 2 times. When you go to just the same process, ceiling 2, you go again. Okay, if you like, you can change this color, just to show your graphics. This one is the main thing, render appearance. Now go to replace. You now go to replace. Inside this Revit material, you see some ceiling rendering materials there for ceiling. You can choose any one of these. Let's choose this one, acoustic tile 2x4. You can choose this one. Okay, you can see it has come out. So this is how it's going to be. You apply and you say okay, and okay. So that's how you do your ceiling. That's how you get your ceiling done. So the ceiling has been done. In the next class, we begin to put our furniture and some other things that we need to show for you in this interior rendering. Thank you.